menu creations. Let's begin the healthy cooking, and today I'm gonna make beetroot punugulu. So this is a little different dish. I am trying it with the beetroot. Usually punugulu is a Telugu Indian or especially South Indian. I am from Andhra, Vijayawada. So this is a regular snack. Every evening you can find punugulu on the streets everywhere. This is a basic snack. So in this I am showing you variations. Usually they just use traditional punugulu batter. But today, because of the health and corona around, I'm using only urad dal, which is black gram. I have soaked it overnight and I've already made a batter out of it to avoid the time taking process. So I'm going to show you how to make beetroot urad dal, which is a black gram and semolina, a little bit of semolina punugulu. So let's begin the process. So I've made this as a nice paste, and make sure it doesn't fall out so much. You need to make a batter which is thick, not very thin. So I've chopped already ginger. So I'm putting ginger and curry leaves and coriander, chopped coriander, and some onions. I'm gonna put onions a little bit because onions has a water content in it. If you put more, this batter might become a little thinner, which I don't want. And as per your taste, put the chilies. I eat a little hot because I'm from the hot city, Vijayawada. And a very, very little bit of semolina. The quantity, not too much. 1, 2, and 3 spoons. That's it. Not too much, okay? And then a bit of salt. I haven't put salt while grinding it, so I'm just putting it now. Salt as per your taste. So let me mix this batter first, then only I'm gonna put my beetroot. It's a freshly chopped beetroot. I've already grated it actually rather than chopping. So mix this well. So this is a perfect urad dal punugulu batter. And now I'm gonna put carrot. Because of this coronavirus, you're supposed to eat healthy and eat at home. So I'm just taking half of it. So it's gonna get this amazing red color if you just see. Oh my god, I love this. Being a fashion designer, it's actually matching my dress. So this is what you call eating food and being a fashion designer, fantasy of matching it to the dress that you're wearing. It's just coincidence. I haven't worn intentionally. So it's just amazing, and this is the first time I'm trying it with beetroot. Usually I put carrot. Lots and lots of carrot. I eat lots of carrot because carrot is good for your eyes, and irrespective of being me in the mid-30s, I don't have spectacles. So that's the beauty of eating carrot every day. So look at this. I'm trying to thicken this color a bit because this looks so pale pink. Fashion and food. I think I'm just fascinated with this idea. So from tomorrow, I'm gonna show you a different colors of cooking. Why don't I just name my episode Colors of Cooking? That's amazing, right? Yeah, from white, it just turned into pink. From pale pink to little darker pink. Wow, amazing. We are making pink punugulu. So that will be the tagline. So let's fry this in the oil. You need to deep fry them and make sure that you have an amazing. I am getting my mouth watered all around from every corner. I just can't wait to just eat it. Come on, I'm gonna fry this on. Let's begin the pink punugulu process. I just can't wait because this is so fascinating. I never saw any Indian dish so pinkish. So let's begin the process. You put oil. The oil need to be little more. You need to make sure that it will be sufficient for your dumplings to dwell into it, and let it get hotter and hotter. So the moment you put your dumplings, it can just get fried. So you can just use a very little amount of soda. This is eating soda. That's very little, just to bring the crispiness. That's all. I am so indulged in mixing this. I feel like I'm mixing a pink cake batter. We Indians, we were not taught how to make cakes and all this pastries and cupcakes in India. So these are our traditional foods, but I am so much fascinated to eat lots and lots of bakery food. I love it, but my mom always says like, no, it's not good to health. Our first batch of pink punugulu, make sure you have reduced the flame, and punugulu, you just make sure that the tip is taken out and then just put it. That's all. So make sure your oil is heated, and just to cross check, I just put little dumplings such that I will avoid unnecessary wastage of the dough. So this is how we cross check. I think we're good to go now. So I'm reducing this a bit. So make sure you put that in a medium flame and let it fried, because what will happen if you put it in the high flame, outside it will be crunchy and sometimes it may get burned, but inside it is not cooked. So what I've done, I think it's well cooked. This batch is done, whatever that I have put initially. Let me take that out. You can see this a little more crispier because I have added the suji rava, which is semolina, at the end. So that's one batch. I'm gonna give this to goddess, but I'll do that only once I put my second batch. So this is my second batch. My hot pink punugulu are just getting colder. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you a quick fix of how to make instant chutney. Whatever is there in your kitchen, it can be any pickle, store-bought pickle. Instead of eating it just like that, my mom taught me to mix a bit of curd in that chutney, so that becomes an Indian sauce. So usually red chili chutney or tomato chutney goes well. So that's all. All you need to do is just like mix it up. Don't you see that the color is changing nicely and it's looking like a sauce? So this is Indian pickle sauce. Okay, so the pink punugulu is going with Indian pickle sauce. That's it. Good to go. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. The pink punugulu with Indian pickle sauce is good to go into my tummy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, VNU Creations, in association with Digital Vix TV. Thank you so much.